Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Mr. Assidiq. My name is MUHAIMIN by ZALANI. Metric number is 01 DDT 1F1151. So today I would like to present about mini project 1. So the first slide, which is the introduction. The proposal, automate inventory management system for retail store. So we have been asked to make an management system, automate inventory management system for a retail store. So the aim or the target from this system is simplify process, improve accuracy and increase efficiency. So for the key requirements, we need to request the new inventory, which is the store employees or the admin can requesting new inventory. Also, the store employees can updating sold item to retrieve the data, managing returns and generating report. As a customer or as a store employees, also can update the real time data processing, stock monitoring, replenishment management and quick record updates. So the next slide, we have performance requirement, output interface and simplified interface. So the first performance requirements, responsiveness and scalability, also the timely reporting are important in the performance requirement, which is to make sure the customer is always get update from the automate system. Timely reporting to make sure the store employees keep updating the data. As a control, user authentication, data validation and error handling. Data flow diagram for system overview is important to make sure the design of the interface are successful. Intuitive interface for easy data entry. So this is for make sure the interface are friendly user. So for the second, output interface, simple report and dashboard. So this is for store employees to keep updating reports. Also, the dashboard for the employees are not the same like the customer dashboard. The benefit is for the streamlined operation to make it work smooth well, improve decision making and increase efficiency. Or the third, simplified interface, robust processing for employees, supplies manager. Also detailed system design architecture, database structure, algorithm technologies, system control, ensure data accuracy and security. So I will hand to my friends. Thank you.
So I will review for the question 1. The input requirements is receiving new inventory. Store associates can enter receive inventory detail such as the item, names, quantities, supplier info. Next is updating inventory for sold items. Capture information on items sold such as item names or codes, quantities, customer detail. Next is customer returns management. Process returns, update inventory such as return items, reasons accordingly. So for the B is output requirement. Inventory level reports display current inventory levels such as item names, quantities and location. Next is stock replenishment reports such as items to replenish based on reorder points such as item names, quantities, preferred suppliers. Next is sales performance reports. Summarize sales data such as total sales, top selling items and sales trends. Next is supplier management reports. provide insight into supplier performance such as order history, delivery times, pricing, comparisons. Next is processing requirements, real-time inventory tracking, continuously update inventory levels in real time. Next is replenishment management, automatically monitor inventory and generate replenishment alert. Next is returns and refunds processing. So this is facilitate returns, update in inventory, process returns transaction. Next is inventory records updates, maintaining the centralized inventory record database, timeline updates. So next is D, performance requirements. So it is the fast response time, provide quick response times for updating inventory, processing transactions, generating reports. Next is scalability, handle concurrent user requests, support multiple employees, accessing the system simultaneously. Next is timeline reporting, generate reports promptly to support decision making. Last but not least is control requirements, authentication and user authorization, implement secure access procedures, role-based actions. Then data validation, validate input data to ensure accuracy and integrity. And the last is error handling, include mechanism for error identification, quick problem resolution.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Mr. Assidiq. My name is MUHAIMIN bin ZALANI. My metric number is 01DT21F1151. So today I will continue the presentation with question number 2, which is context level data flow diagram. For the first point, the contact level, the DFD contact level, we have two external entities, specify system parameter and data flow between the inventory management system and external entities. Level 0 data flow diagram illustrates the overall concept of the system in a single step. So as we can see, as admin, we can stock detail, we can entry stock detail supply record to inventory management system, which is the process. As customer, we can buy or purchasing the detail, put the customer info, which is put the address and number phone or email. We can also retrieve data from our payments. After that, in the inventory management system, the process will show the sale purchase list from the customer, from the action what customer do, and show the stock list from the stock detail. So now we go to the next slide. Level 1 DFD. So this is overview of the level 1 DFD. Level 1 DFD detailed breakdown of major process from the context level diagram. It also shows input, output and data flows between system components. It also represents interaction within store, employees, suppliers and store management and store managers with the inventory system. So for the context level DFD, which is the level 0 before the level 1, it provides an overview of the inventory system management. It also shows external entities, example store, employees, suppliers, store manager, and also shows the major process like receiving new stock, updating inventory, and generating reports. So for the inventory management sub-process, we have 4 types, which is we have a customer database, purchase or sale database, product database, and payment database. So as we can see on the overview of the plan, level 1 DFD, we have 2 entities, which is customer and admin. So as customer, we can see the product list, the purchase confirmation, payment details, stock list, and more other than that. As a customer, we can purchase and get a confirmation from what we pay, and the confirmation goes into the customer database, and the admin can access it from customer database to retrieve the data. So as admin, they can also manage a sales information, which is sales list, stock list, product detail, product info, and other than that. So this is the level 1 DFD. It is more detailed than level 0 DFD or the context level DFD.
Thank you, Mohaimin. Welcome and good afternoon to Encik Assidiq. Okay, so next I'm going to continue with question 3. Question 3, we have to design the input and output interfaces. So here are the input and output interfaces that we have designed. Here we have employee interface, like an interface where we can track the inventory, and then the interface where we can check how many customers that want to refund with us. And then next we have the store manager interface. So in the store manager interface, we can see the sales report of our project, and then we can track sales too. And then lastly, the customer interface. So in the customer interface, the customer can make a refund request, and then after they make the refund request, they can check the refund status, and then the payment details, invoice, and stock request. Okay, next for the conclusion, is that going to continue with it?
So for the conclusion is, point number 1 is proposed automated inventory management system. User-friendly and efficient solution for retail store process. Track inventory, manages replenishment, generates reports, simplifies decision making, increase efficiencies. Second point is key requirement met. Accurate data collection, timely reporting, secure data management, streamline interfaces for data entry, clear output interface for such as reports and dashboards. Point number 3 is benefits. So benefits. The benefits is streamlines operations, improves decision making, increase efficiency. Then real-time inventory tracking, replenishment management, accurate spot reporting, and the system controls ensure data integrity and reliability. The last point is overall valuable investment for retail business, effective inventory control, increased efficiency, informed decision making, user-friendly interfaces, robust processing, and secure controls. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you, Izzat, for the conclusion. Okay, so that is all from us for our mini project 1. Thank you.